Imagine flying over the heartland of America. Rolling plains stretch out below. Suddenly, a colossal rock formation pierces the sky. This is Devil's Tower, a geological marvel in Wyoming. Towering over 800 feet from its base, it stands as a silent sentinel to the passage of time. This natural wonder has captivated people for centuries, inspiring awe and wonder in all who behold it. Devil's Tower holds a special place in American history. In 1906, it earned the distinction of becoming the nation's very first national monument. President Theodore Roosevelt, known for his conservation efforts, signed the Antiquities Act. This law granted the president the power to protect areas of significant scientific or historical importance. Roosevelt recognized the unique value of Devil's Tower, preserving it for generations to come. The geological story of Devil's Tower is a tale shrouded in mystery. Scientists agree that it formed from molten rock, or magma, that rose from the Earth's depths. However, the exact process that sculpted its distinctive columns remains a subject of debate. Some theories suggest that the magma cooled and contracted, creating vertical cracks that defined the columns. Others propose that the tower was once buried within a volcano, and erosion slowly revealed its hardened core. Regardless of its precise origins, Devil's Tower stands as a testament to the powerful forces that have shaped our planet. Long before European settlers arrived, Native American tribes held Devil's Tower as a sacred site. The Lakota people, among others, have passed down legends about its creation. One story tells of 7 young girls pursued by a giant bear. They climbed atop a rock, praying for help. The rock rose into the sky, carrying them to safety and leaving deep claw marks on its sides. To this day, many Native Americans refer to Devil's Tower as Bear Lodge and consider it a place of prayer and ceremony. Section 5. A Climber's Paradise. Devil's Tower's sheer vertical walls and unique columnar structure have made it a magnet for rock climbers worldwide. Every year, experienced climbers test their skills and endurance on its challenging routes. The first successful ascent occurred in 1893, and since then, thousands have followed in those daring footsteps. Climbers must navigate the tower's intricate cracks and protrusions, respecting the sacred nature of the site. It's a true test of human determination and a testament to the allure of conquering natural wonders. Section 6. Close Encounters of the Tower Kind. Devil's Tower, a striking geological formation, has captured the imagination of many. Rising dramatically from the plains of Wyoming, it stands as a testament to the Earth's natural forces. Devil's Tower's fame extends beyond the realms of geology and climbing. This monolithic structure, with its unique columns and towering presence, has become a symbol of mystery and adventure. In 1977, it was featured prominently in Steven Spielberg's science fiction classic, Close Encounters of the Third Kind. The film brought the tower into the global spotlight, making it an icon of cinematic history. The tower served as a visual representation of the unknown, a beacon drawing humans into contact with extraterrestrial life. Its imposing silhouette against the night sky, often depicted with mysterious lighting, added to its enigmatic allure. The film's iconic imagery of the tower, often shrouded in mist and bathed in otherworldly light, cemented its place in popular culture. These scenes have left an indelible mark on audiences, blending the real with the fantastical. Visitors today can't help but feel a sense of wonder, imagining the possibilities that lie beyond our planet. As they stand at the base of this natural wonder, they are reminded of the tower's dual legacy, both as a geological marvel and a cultural icon. The sense of awe and curiosity it inspires continues to draw people from all over the world, each visitor adding their own chapter to the ongoing story of Devil's Tower. Section 7. Experiencing the Wonder. A visit to Devil's Tower is an unforgettable experience. This iconic monolith, rising dramatically from the plains of Wyoming, captivates visitors with its sheer size and unique geological features. Hiking trails wind through the surrounding forests, offering breathtaking views of the tower from various angles. Each trail provides a different perspective, allowing hikers to appreciate the tower's grandeur and the beauty of the natural landscape. The area is home to a diverse array of wildlife, including deer, prairie dogs, and many other creatures that thrive in this unique ecosystem. Observing these animals in their natural habitat adds to the richness of the experience. Birdwatchers will be delighted by the variety of bird species that can be seen around the tower. From majestic eagles soaring high above to colorful songbirds flitting through the trees, the avian life here is truly remarkable. Visitors are encouraged to treat the site with respect, remembering its sacred significance to Native American cultures. The tower is not just a natural wonder, but also a place of deep spiritual importance. June is a particularly special time to visit, as many tribes hold ceremonies and dances near the tower. These events offer a unique opportunity to witness and participate in the rich cultural traditions that have been passed down through generations. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow over the landscape, it's a time to reflect on the enduring connection between humanity and the natural world. The beauty and serenity of Devil's Tower leave a lasting impression on all who visit, making it a truly magical destination. Section 8. Facts and Further Exploration. In this section, we delve deeper into the fascinating aspects of Devil's Tower, a natural wonder that has captivated the imagination of many. Here are a few intriguing facts about Devil's Tower. Did you know that this iconic landmark was the first declared United States national monument, established by President Theodore Roosevelt in 1906? It's primarily composed of phonolite porphyry, a type of igneous rock known for its durability. This rock is formed from lava that cools slowly beneath the Earth's surface, giving it a unique texture and strength. The tower's columns are predominantly hexagonal, a testament to the forces of nature at play during its formation. These columns were created through a process called columnar jointing, which occurs when thick lava flows cool and contract. Devil's Tower rises 867 feet from its base, which spans a circumference of 1 mile. This impressive height makes it a popular destination for rock climbers and adventurers from around the world. Devil's Tower stands as a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. Its striking presence against the backdrop of the sky is a sight to behold, especially during sunrise or sunset when the light casts a magical glow on its surface. It's a place where geology, history, and spirituality converge. The tower holds significant cultural importance for several Native American tribes, who consider it a sacred site and refer to it as Bear Lodge. I encourage you to experience its wonder firsthand. Whether you're hiking the trails, learning about its geological history, or simply taking in the breathtaking views, Devil's Tower offers something for everyone. And for more captivating journeys into the heart of America's national landmarks, subscribe to our channel and embark on a journey of discovery. Join us as we explore the natural and historical treasures that make our country so unique and inspiring.